Hello, in this video we will be showing you how to navigate through the journals collection on the UK Vet resource. Next to the UK Vet logo near the top left of the screen, you'll find that Journals tab next to it. Just select that and a drop down menu should appear underneath with the following options: Companion Animal, Livestock, UK Vet, Equine Health and the Veterinary Nurse. For example, if you click on the Veterinary Nurse, you'll find yourself on the following page. If you scroll down the page, you'll find the latest articles that come from the Veterinary Nurse, as well as editor's picks and the most read, most cited section. But located at the top of the page, next to the Veterinary Nurse logo, you'll find a menu tab. Current issue is, if you click on that, you'll be taken to the most current issue of the Veterinary Nurse, and it'll provide a table of contents list of what that issue contains. The Archive tab will allow you to scroll through the archive of the Veterinary Nurse, dating from its most recent issue to its very first issue, dated back in 2010. For the following example going forward, we'll click on the 2010s and then just select 2018. And from the list of options now available in the drop-down menu, we'll click on Volume 9, Number 9, and we'll be taken to the following page. To view and read one of the articles contained within the journal, for example, Not Strictly True, but Doesn't Matter, we'll click on that and be taken to the following page where you can read that article in full text format. If you scroll back up to the top of the page, you'll notice that the PDF EPUB button on the left side of the screen. If you just click on that, you'll be taken to the following page where you can read that article either in a PDF or EPUB format.